Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve,
And I'm Scott.
and together we're Backyard Musings, Science and Technology Channel.
Yeah, we're talking about food and health today. So strap in and let's get to it.
Before we launch, I just want to mention we had a subscriber say, "Thank you, guys. I'm finding myself listening to your stuff more often because it's so interesting." We thank you for that. We're trying to bring you interesting content.
Yep, we appreciate it. And we've been talking about some pretty um, interesting health topics lately that are should be eye-opening to a lot of people.
Yeah,
And yeah, and of course we've been talking about we're back on the quantum computing kick. So that's Steve's
it's
favorite
starting to
topic.
break through.
Yeah.
All right. A new scientific review examines more than 2 decades of research on pecans and their place in heart healthy eating patterns. Just so you know, disclaimer, my mother in law, she eats pecans like they're going out of style. You got to hide them when she comes and visits. A newly published scientific review is drawing attention to pecans and their potential role in heart healthy eating patterns. The paper examines pecans, America's native nut, and evaluates their effects on cardiovascular health. Published in the peer-reviewed journal Nutrients on November 24, 2025, the analysis compiles more than 20 years of research. It highlights evidence linking pecan consumption to improved heart health and overall diet quality, while also identifying areas that need further investigation. Would you like to know more?
So, does eating pecan praline ice cream count as eating pecans?
I think so.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm there. Researchers at the Illinois Institute of Technology conducted the review, analyzing a broad range of human studies. Their findings emphasize how pecans fit into modern dietary patterns and align with current health priorities.
Much of the research focuses on cardiovascular markers, particularly blood lipid levels. Clinical studies suggest that including pecans in a balanced diet may improve several indicators associated with heart disease risk. Regular consumption in typical snack-sized portions has been associated with reductions in total cholesterol, the LDL bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and non-HDL cholesterol.
Pecans provide polyphenols, a type of antioxidant, and other bioactive compounds that may support antioxidant activity and reduce lipid oxidation, a process linked to oxidative stress and cardiovascular disease. Emerging evidence also suggests that pecans may improve post meal lipid metabolism, an important factor in heart health. Overall, the findings indicate that pecans may offer their strongest benefits through improvements in lipid metabolism and antioxidant defenses. So, does that mean you should pop a few pecans after you get through eating?
Yeah, yeah,
Interesting. Okay.
yeah. So this article has got to convince you that we're not here by chance. And these plants and these animals and herbs, they're not here by chance. They're here by our heavenly Father to help us eat healthy.
Yeah. I've seen charts where they'll break down things like, this is why you should eat a tomato. This is why you should eat an onion. This is why you should eat garlic. This is why you should eat whatever. And it gives you the benefits of it. So it's pretty cool.
Not by chance.
Yeah.
Okay, evidence related to blood sugar regulation and diabetes outcomes is less consistent. Some studies suggest that when pecans replace refined carbohydrates, they may improve insulin response and post-meal blood glucose control. However, results remain mixed, and further research is needed to clarify their role in metabolic health.
Several studies report increased feelings of fullness after pecan consumption, making appetite regulation a promising area of study. So you could eat these for a snack, and it'll, maybe curtail you from eating so much at your next meal. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Findings on body weight are also mixed. Importantly, current evidence does not indicate that pecan intake increases the risk of weight gain. Observed changes in weight generally fall within normal day-to-day variation.
The review demonstrates that people who include pecans in their diets score higher on the healthy eating index, reflecting overall better diet quality. Findings from nationally representative NHA-NES data further show, I think if that is that the national, no, it's not the National Institute of Science. So this data further shows that pecans naturally fit into balanced, healthy eating patterns, especially when they replace typical snack choices.
Okay.
Like gummy bears.
Yeah. Quote, what stands out in the research is the consistency of evidence linking pecans to markers of health, heart health, and overall diet quality. And that's according to Britt Burton Freeman, PhD, MS, Director of the Center for Nutrition Research, Illinois Institute of Technology. Okay. Going on with the quote, the additional findings around satiety, is that right?
Satiating, like you're satiated.
Satiety, and weight management add improvement context, particularly as interest grows in appetite regulation and the use of GLP-1 therapies, which is really huge. I mean, it's hard to not see a commercial for GLP or whatever that actual, what is it? It's under a lot of different names out there.
Yeah, Ozempic, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, right.
And just to give you a little primer, this afternoon we're going to be talking about a weight loss drug created by AI design, artificial intelligence design. So stay tuned this afternoon. Continuing on, the review identifies promising opportunities for future research, gut health and digestion, including how pecan nutrients interact with the microbiome,
brain health, given pecans' high polyphenol content and links between heart and cognitive health.
bioactive compounds, which vary by growing conditions, may influence health outcomes.
While these areas are still developing, the research team says that they represent promising directions for future study. So keep studying. Yeah.
Yeah, eat those pecans. They're good snacks too.
Yeah. I like the fact that it's contributing to good cognitive health. That's good. Good. Yeah, polyphenol.
All right, folks, join us this afternoon. You're gonna be very interested in this very interesting topic.
Okay, take care, everyone. We'll see you this afternoon.